That is the federal signal 2130. Just started up. And the others are 2001s. Now another one's going off. Good. I think you're the Woods doing theirs. Oh, one's doing attack mode. 2001's doing attack mode. It's not that loud than I expect. Yeah, this is long. 2 hours 1 and 30 is on a mid alert. I don't think that the GPW Thunderbolt 1080 4th upward is not going to go off because it has a computer technical difficulty. Probably the computer's jammed up. It's probably jammed. So does one in the City Hall. The City Hall 2001 or 30. I'm not sure if the Woods there. I think the Woods system's jammed. I think the Woods siren system's probably jammed. Right now I'm hearing some 2001s, but no modular. Yeah, that one's high pitch. That 2130, that's at the city fire station. It's pretty loud. Coming from the city and park. City and park siren. Oh, it's shutting down now. It sucks that the Grosse Pointe Woods siren system's not working again. Oh, let that shut down. (2001) at Siren. Oh, it's shutting down. There's the other 2001s. And another one. But 2001 DC didn't go off this time. Oh, that was a bummer. I didn't hear the Woods siren go off. Didn't hear the Woods do their sirens.